In the digital era, effective communication serves as a cornerstone of business success. Tools like Justcall, a cloud-based phone system, have revolutionized the way companies interact with customers and manage internal communications. Designed specifically for sales and support teams, Justcall offers a wide array of features that simplify operations, enhance productivity, and enable organizations to deliver seamless customer experiences. This guide aims to introduce beginners to the platform while providing insights into its effective use. At its core, Justcall operates as a VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol solution that eliminates the need for traditional phone systems, offering unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Businesses can utilize its robust features, including cloud-based calling, interactive voice response or IVR for automatic call routing, SMS automation, and seamless integration with leading customer relationship management platforms or CRM platforms. Furthermore, Justcall provides powerful analytics and reporting capabilities that empower companies to monitor performance and optimize their operations. Its mobile app ensures users can stay connected and manage communications efficiently, even while on the move. To get started with Justcall, users must first create an account by visiting its official website. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring basic information such as an email address, name, and password. Upon registration, businesses can personalize their accounts by adding details about their operations, such as industry type and the size of their team. One of the platform's standout features is the ability to choose business phone numbers, whether local, toll-free, or international, based on specific operational needs. Once the initial setup is complete, team members can be added to the account, with customizable roles assigned to each member to ensure efficient collaboration. Navigating the Justcall dashboard is a breeze. Thanks to its intuitive design, the dashboard serves as the command center of all key functionalities. Users can manage calls, send and receive SMS messages, store and access customer contact information, and integrate the platform with other tools. The settings section allows businesses to configure workflows, set preferences, and customize call flows according to their unique requirements. This simplicity in navigation ensures that even those new to the platform can quickly become proficient. Using Justcall for making calls is seamless and efficient. Once logged into their account, users can easily select the business number they wish to use and dial the recipient's phone number. Call controls during a conversation provide added functionality, including options to place calls on hold, transfer them to other team members, or record them for future references or compliance purposes. Managing incoming calls is equally straightforward, as the IVR system allows businesses to automate call routing by creating customized menus. This feature ensures that callers are redirected to the appropriate departments, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Missed call notifications are another valuable feature, enabling teams to promptly follow up missed opportunities and maintain strong customer relationships. Beyond voice calls, Justcall's SMS functionality is a powerful tool for customer engagement. Businesses can compose and send text messages directly from the dashboard, and the inclusion of pre-built templates streamlines the process for frequently used messages. Additionally, the platform supports advanced automation workflows, allowing users to schedule messages or send them based on specific triggers, such as order confirmations or appointment reminders. This capability ensures timely communication while reducing manual effort. Managing customer contact is an essential aspect of any communication platform, and Justcall excels in this area. Businesses can import existing contacts lists in bulk through CSV or Excel files, simplifying the transition to the platform. For those who prefer manual entry, contacts can be added individually, ensuring no customer is overlooked. Once uploaded, contacts can be grouped into categories, enabling targeted communication strategies. During calls, the ability to access customer information in real time enhances interactions by providing context and personalization, which are critical for building lasting relationships. One of Justcall's most compelling features is its ability to integrate with other tools and platforms. Seamless synchronization with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot allow businesses to maintain a unified customer database and track interactions effectively. Additionally, integrations with collaboration tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams ensures that teams stay informed and coordinated. By connecting with help desk software like Zendesk or Freshdesk, businesses can streamline their support workflows, ensuring timely and efficient resolutions to customer issues. Setting up this integration is a simple process that involves authorizing access and testing the connection to ensure smooth data flow between platforms. Analytics and reporting are integral components of Justcall, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions. The platform provides access to detailed call metrics, including call duration, missed calls, and response time, allowing managers to assess both individual and team performance. Reports can be customized based on specific parameters, such as date ranges or call outcomes, offering valuable insights into communication trends. Furthermore, these reports can be exported in formats like Excel or CSV, enabling businesses to share findings with stakeholders and develop actionable strategies for improvement. Customization is another area where Justcall shines, providing businesses with the flexibility to tailor call flows to their unique needs. Features like personalized voicemail, greetings, and call queues enhance the customer experience, ensuring that callers receive prompt and professional service. The use of call tags add an extra layer of organization, making it easy to categorize interactions and retrieve information when needed. Additionally, advanced call management tools such as call monitoring and whispering allow supervisors to provide real-time support and coaching to their team members, while call barging enables them to join ongoing conversations to address complex issues directly. Despite its user-friendly design, occasional challenges may arise when using Justcall. Common issues such as poor call quality or integration errors can often be resolved by checking internet connections or reauthorizing linked accounts. The platform's comprehensive support system ensures that users have access to assistance whenever needed. Resources include a knowledge base filled with tutorials and FAQs, a live chat feature for real-time help, and email support for more complex inquiries. In conclusion, Justcall is a powerful communication tool that caters to the needs of modern businesses. Its cloud-based system, combined with advanced automation and integration capabilities, makes it an invaluable asset for sales and support teams. By following this comprehensive guide, beginners can quickly familiarize themselves with the platform, unlocking its full potential to streamline communication processes, improve team productivity, and enhance customer experiences as businesses continue to adopt the evolving demands of the digital age. Justcall stands out as a solution that delivers efficiency, flexibility, and scalability.